Hello and welcome to the Sporty Scenario Loader X-Plane 12 plugin. As you can see on the desktop, I have the download file zip and my X-Plane 12 folder. What I'm going to do is simply just double click to extract. Once the file is extracted, I'll just go ahead and open it back up. And as you can see, I have the files I need for the plugin here. I go ahead and select all, making sure I click the right option key, and then click drag and drop. Hold the option key. You'll see this menu here. When this menu comes up, it's very important to make sure you click merge. So we're going to go ahead and apply to all, click merge, and this will copy all the files into the X-Plane 12 folder. After that, we can go ahead and close the folder, open up X-Plane 12, and launch the scenario. Go ahead and load the 1Say2 at Claremont County. We'll go ahead and start. Okay, great. Now that it's loaded, we can go ahead and go to the plugins menu, select Sporty Scenario Loader, and choose a scenery.